Eyewitness News at 5 starts right now.
Thank you so much for joining us here at 5. Governor Patrick Morrisey now saying that he plans to call a special session to address one of the state's most pressing issues, PEIA. It's especially concerning and pressing as deductibles and premiums, well, they're set to skyrocket this summer.
Anna Saunders says state employees want to see this addressed before that day comes.
Well, Governor Patrick Morrisey has not specifically said when he would call a PEIA special session, but those who represent the state employees say it's needed soon before those increases go into effect on July 1st. As letters start to go out telling state employees what they'll soon be paying into their insurance, Dale Lee, the president of the West Virginia Education Association, says reality is starting to set in.
It's really starting to hit them now that this is going to take effect July 1.
Last year, the PEIA Finance Board approved a plan that increases premiums by 14% for state employees, 16% for local governments, and 12% for retirees. A 40% increase in deductibles was also part of that plan. This in response to the rising costs of prescription drugs and medical care. After taking no action on it this legislative session, they now turn to a potential special session. Lee says it can be fixed before July 1 by finding ways to fund it.
But you have to have a stabilization so that, one, it's guaranteed that it's funded every year. And I go back to the state needs to have the language in that the state shall pay no less than 80%. The employees pay no more than 20%. And that gives the Finance Board the flexibility they need to really come up with alternatives to take to these public hearings and say, all right, here's the three options that you have.
Before that, Governor Morrisey indicated he would like to bring stakeholders to the table to discuss potential solutions.
Stakeholders that bring, a lot of information, a lot of experience to the table. So I'm encouraged to hear that.
Morrisey says he would call the special session after his administration can make some progress in the next few months. Lee says a session after July 1 would be too late.
I would love to see it way before July 1. I mean, our people are going to be hurting starting July 1. You're going to see this really take effect, and you're going to see these number of people that are leaving the profession, leaving the state increase.
In Charleston, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.